APF customer test, serial number 100920. Just completed the build. Let's give it a test. Bluetooth connected. Just added a length of solder wire to the antenna. Slowing it down 5, 10, 15%. Increasing noise gate. Rewinding. Thank you. You came through pretty clear, actually. I'm going to back you up. That's worth hearing again. Reset. Any two buttons, resets. Have the volume on low right now. Slowing it down. I'm going to rewind. I'm talking over some responses. I'm going to increase the volume a little bit. Positive what? Rewind. Slowing down another 10%, 25%. Playback reduction. Positive. That's a long response, but I'm missing it. I'm going to try one more time. Reset. Increasing noise filter. Okay, any two buttons resets the memory. To slow it down, every time you press the play slow button, it's 5%, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I just slowed down 25%. If you want to pause your session, you do that, and the sweeps are still being recorded on the SD card inside, so you don't lose your place. I'm going to pick up right where I left off now, right there. If you want to rewind, every time you press this button, you back up 10 seconds. I'm going to rewind 10 seconds because there's a response there. I'm going to slow it down another 10%. Turn up the volume. It's working. Yes, it's absolutely working. I want to back it up again and give a lot more volume. It's working. Bring the volume back down, reset. Slow it down. Just slow it down 30%. I'm sweeping with the SB7 at 150 milliseconds. That's 6.6 frequencies per second. Low pass filter cuts out a lot of the higher frequencies, allows the lower frequencies to pass through. I can remove as much noise as I want, adjust the threshold. Just so that you understand, the way the threshold works is you set a threshold or a high limit. Anything that exceeds that high limit passes through and can be heard. Anything below that cannot. So you typically want to adjust it right at the cusp of hearing a sweep sound, like that. The test, all buttons appear to be working correctly. Pause, resume, 10-second rewind, playback, speed, reduction, low pass filter, volume control, noise filter, on off, battery charge. You're waiting for what? Let me rewind that. Spirit says he's waiting, or we're waiting. I don't know what he's waiting for. Let me speed that back up. You can also slow the playback down to like 65%. All right, very good. And it goes through a loop, so you can adjust it as slow as you want. Then you can step through all the steps, and it comes back to normal speed when the light goes off. I like putting the threshold a little bit higher too, because it gets rid of the junk. It's just not worth listening to. You know, a lot of them just say worthless words and things. Now, that one was kind of interesting. I'm going to play that one back a little bit. All right, reset. The higher the volume control, the more you have to raise your limit. They kind of like work in combination with each other. Rewind. That was interesting. Father, I think. Girl said. Okay, let's bring that down. Okay, so everything seems to be working correct. Make sure the box is fully charged before you use it. Make sure the Bluetooth transmitter and receiver is fully charged. Let's see what that is. Absolutely no sweep sound at all. Okay, that's it.